Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, what is a good trend trading system? Answer by Yukimura. First of all, you should always backtest a trend trading system for yourself before ever trading it live. Never take someone's word for it that it works. That said, here's a good trading system you can try. I have tested it myself in Forex and it has a pretty high win rate on the major pairs. The cross pairs don't do as well. It's called the Caterpillar Trend Trading Strategy. Indicators: 10 EMA, 20 EMA, engulfing bar indicator, optional, time frame, daily, 4-hour charts. Entry: look for strong trends, where the 10 and 20 EMAs have good separation. Enter on an engulfing bar pullback into the EMAs. Here's a good example. Stop loss, on the other side of the engulfing bar, red line. Profit target: look for the next level of strong support or resistance. Make sure that you can get at least 1 R. Don't set the TP exactly at the next low, give it some space. It might stop just before the extreme, so you have to be ready for that. At the green line would be a good TP for this setup because it is near the previous support lows, but not at the extremes. This is a 1 R target. Exit: either you get stopped out, or price hits your profit target. No early exits. Sound too simple to work? Well, how do you know if you don't test it? If you are new to manual back testing, you can read this blog post. It can be difficult to remember all this stuff while you are testing, so be sure to use a trading plan worksheet to write everything down. To see another similar trend trading system, with a complete plan, read this blog post. Disclaimer: I am the founder of Trading Heroes and I help traders find the trading method that fits their personality. Trading currencies, or any other financial market, involves substantial risk, and there is always the potential for a loss. This is not advice of any kind. All content in this answer is for informational purposes only. Answer by Cannon Trading Company Incorporated. My opinion is that a good trend trading system should be able to recognize the trend early enough. My two favorite ways are to look at longer time frames, let's say daily chart, identify a trend and then use lower time frame, let's say 120-minute chart, to enter when the short-term time frame had a pullback and resumption of the trend. Another classic method is to use breakout concept. One can see very useful stats about different markets along with trend identifying tools at futures trading charts and quotes/prices. Elon Levymeyer, Cannon Trading Company. Answer by Dinkratus Hoiksa. I don't give financial advice, but earnings report schedules are smart to follow. Stages in biotech development, especially phase 3 drugs nearing a year from commercialization. Find a good stock screener and watch for high volume. Read the news like the answer to life's questions are buried in there. Until you know current events, especially as it pertains to the market, better than most of these here politicians. Find stocks with a good track record and paper trade them for 3 to 6 weeks. Try to find the bottom support level and buy there. Then find the top support level and limit sell at about half a point lower than the expected bounce back. Make the same few bucks over and over again until it adds up. I am not giving financial advice. All the stuff I say is for entertainment purposes. Enjoy.